Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a div to the tutorials page. The instructions are almost identical to what they've been for the earlier image projects, but I'm going to go through it anyway. All right, so I'm heading into Dreamweaver, and I'm going to begin by going to my code view and then click on my CSS. As with earlier projects, I'm going to select the main div and copy it, Control C. I'll hit enter twice. I'll paste it in, Control V. I'll change the name of it to tutorials. Probably need more height than this, so I'm going to change this to 800. I'll have to adjust that later depending on how much room I need. All right, I'm going to save. The asterisk tells me I haven't saved yet, so I'm going to go ahead and save, Control S. Then I'll move over to source code. As with all of the earlier projects, I'll scroll down to the end of the main div. Here's my main div. I'll scroll down to the closing tag. I'll hit enter twice and now create my tutorials div. So it's angle bracket div space ID equals, and if I've done everything correctly with my CSS, I will see exactly what I need here in this menu. I'll click at the end of it, put in the angle bracket closing, and hit enter. Control S to save. Then I'll look at it in design view and see how it looks. All right, it's there. Put it into preview mode. And there's my empty div, ready to add content.